You want to move an image in WordPress the easiest way. This is the built-in block editor, no plugins, no code. Start by logging in and entering your username or email and password, then click Log In. Once you're in, the dashboard is on screen. If your image is on a page, go to Pages in the left sidebar and click All Pages. If it's in a blog post, go to Posts and All Posts. Find the page or post in the list, hover over it and click Edit. Now the page editor opens. Scroll down until you see the image you want to move. Click directly on the image itself, not on the text above or below it, or you'll select the wrong block. When it's selected, the image block gets a blue outline and the block toolbar appears above it. Look at that toolbar for the up and down arrows. Click Move Up to shift the image one block higher, or Move Down to shift it lower. Each click moves it one position, so this is best for small adjustments. I use these when I'm only nudging an image past one paragraph. For bigger moves, use the drag handle in the toolbar. It's the 6 dots on the left. Click and hold it, then drag the image up or down. Watch for a blue insertion line. That line shows exactly where the image will land. So if your page has paragraph 1, paragraph 2, image paragraph 3, you drag the image upward until the blue line appears between the first and second paragraphs, then release the mouse. The order becomes paragraph 1, image paragraph 2, paragraph 3. It's the same below a heading. If you have a heading that says Our Services, then the image, then a description, select the image and drag it so the blue line sits right under the heading. Release it there. To move an image into a column, make sure your columns block is visible. Click inside the column where you want the image to go, then drag the image block into that column. Don't release until WordPress highlights the entire column area. If you let go too early, the image lands above the columns instead of inside them. You can also drop an image into a group block the same way. Select the image, drag it over the group, wait for the group highlight, and release. That ties the image to that section so it moves whenever you move the group later. If the page is long or the blocks are dense, click the list view icon at the top left of the editor. It opens an outline of every block on the page indented under its parent. Find the image block in that list. Click and hold it, then drag it to another spot in the structure. This is my go-to on any page with more than about 10 blocks, because dragging on the canvas gets messy fast. In list view or on the page, if you want the image before the text, move the image block above the paragraph block. That puts the image on top. To reverse it, move the image below the paragraph. So before it's paragraph, then image, after it's image, then paragraph. If you have several images to move together, select them all, then click the 3-dot menu on the toolbar and choose Group. Or place them inside a columns block. Now you can drag that single container instead of moving each image individually, which is much faster for larger layouts. Moving an image between sections is the same drag. If you have section 1 with a heading and paragraph and section 2 with the image and a button, just drag the image block from section 2 up into section 1. Again, wait for the highlight at the destination before you release. Don't confuse moving with aligning. If you want the image to stay in the same spot but sit left, center, or right, click the image, then click the alignment button in the toolbar and pick one. To center it, choose Center. The image centers within the content area, but its position in the page order does not change. If you only want to change position, leave the width and height settings alone. Those controls in the block settings panel on the right change the image size, not where it sits. Use the move arrows or drag instead. If you do want to resize while you're here, adjust width, height, or aspect ratio in that panel. Made a wrong move? Click Undo at the top left of the editor or press Ctrl and Z. That instantly reverts the last change. I hit that constantly when I drop a block into the wrong column. After the image is positioned, click Preview at the top to see the page. Check the text spacing, image placement, and section layout, then click the mobile preview icon to see how it looks on a narrow screen. An image that's fine on desktop can be huge or overlap text on mobile, so always check both. Once it looks right, click Update if this is an existing page or post, or Publish if it's new. Then click View Page or View Post to open the live site and confirm the image is exactly where you want it. Before you go, click the image one more time and open the block settings panel on the right. In the spacing section, set a bottom margin of about 24 pixels. That keeps your paragraph from butting up against the image after you've moved it, and it's the first thing I adjust after positioning anything. And if you want to move an entire section, click the block navigation icon in the toolbar, choose the parent group or section block, then use the move up or move down arrows. That shifts the whole container with the image inside. If this helped, hit like so it reaches more people. Subscribe for more WordPress fixes that don't need plugins, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.